Welcome to this quick overview of SlideSimple, an open-source tool designed for efficient visualization and analysis of histopathology images. All the details, including source code and documentation, are available on the GitHub page. You can download the latest version of SlideSimple from the Releases page. The current pre-release is version 0.56 alpha. Let's open the application. To start, we can simply drag and drop a whole slide image into the application. The list of supported whole slide image formats is listed in the OpenSlide library website. I'll leave the link in the description. The standout feature of SlideSimple is its deep zoom functionality, built using the Qt QML Map API. This approach splits the image into tiles, enabling smooth zooming and panning for seamless navigation through even the largest slides. The Image Preview Navigator is another powerful feature. Click anywhere in the preview to jump directly to that region, or drag the navigator to smoothly explore the image. Also, in the bottom left corner, we can find the real scale for the current zoom level. Currently, rendering analysis results is under development to better integrate with the deep zoom viewer. I'm actively improving this feature and welcome contributions from the community. SlideSimple also includes server-side features like user login and registration, which aim to support collaborative workflows. These features are not fully implemented yet, but represent exciting future possibilities. If you find SlideSimple useful or have ideas for improvement, I'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave a comment below or start a discussion on GitHub. Thank you for watching.